plane, perfectly flat, infinitely thin, continuing in all directions forever. A plane, in geometry, is a perfectly flat surface, infinitely thin and continuing in all directions forever. Such a construct exists in the mind only, as we have no physical example of such a surface. Geometry teachers will often use a wall of the classroom to illustrate to students what a plane is. Of course, a physical wall of a classroom cannot be perfectly flat, nor infinitely thin, nor does it continue in all directions forever. We talk about lines, angles, and shapes, quote, lying in a plane, end quote. To lie in a plane means to be perfectly flat, to exist in 2 dimensions, not in 3 dimensions. For a line or a shape to not be flat would mean it was twisted somehow, making it exist in 3 dimensions, not in 2 dimensions. Parallel and perpendicular lines must, quote, lie in a plane, end quote. That is, both ideas exist in 2 dimensions. A plane is a perfectly flat surface, infinitely thin and continuing in both directions forever. Synonyms: 2-dimensional. Antonyms: 3-dimensional. Related words: infinitely thin, infinite, perfectly flat.